Hello everybody, today we're going to make paneer gravy. So let's get started. Get some paneer, cut that into cubes, add a little bit of pepper, add half a spoon of corn flour or cornstarch, mix that very well, so make sure all the paneer cubes are covered in this corn flour and pepper. Now we're going to add half a spoon of chili powder, mix that very well, and add half a spoon of salt, mix that very well and leave it aside. Get a pan, add some oil. Get another pan, add 1 onion, 2 to 3 chilies and mix that very well. Let that saute in there for a minute. Once that gone a little bit of brown, we're going to add some chopped up ginger and garlic. So mix this into the onion and chilies as well. After that started to cook a little bit, we're going to add some peppers. So I am just adding green peppers here, but you can add green, red, any color you want. Now I'm going to add some pepper just to give that kick to the gravy I'm making. Now I'm going to add half a spoon of chili powder. So the chili is according to your taste bud. So if you don't want it spicy, do not add that. So once that cooked through, we're going to add some soya sauce. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of dark soya, but you can add light or any soya you got at home. Mix that very well. And add 1 spoon of sugar. This is going to give a little bit sweetness to the gravy through the spice. When that's mixed through, we're going to add half a cup of water and mix it all together and let it boil for 1 minute. After that, get half a spoon of cornstarch and some water and mix it really through so no lumps or anything, really smooth watery consistency. Add that to the gravy. So when it's all cooked through, we're going to have a little bit of thick consistency gravy rather than watery. Once that's done, then we're just going to add the fried paneer in there. When you're mixing this together, please be careful, otherwise all the paneer cubes are going to be broken into little bits and pieces. So be careful when you're mixing it that you do it with a really nice delicacy and be gentle with it. And that's it guys, it's done. So close the lid for 5 minutes and let it simmer in really low heat and then you're ready to eat. Get a bowl, pour that into a bowl. You can eat it with rice, roti, naan, pita bread, anything you want. And it's really nice and it's got a kick and a little bit of sweetness. I hope you really like this video and you watch my other videos as well. And please subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you for watching. Also share it to your friends as well.